In this video, we will walk you through the steps to complete online registration for foreign nationals to write the JEE Advanced 2024 exam. Please follow the guidelines carefully when filling out your application. Several steps in this process are non-reversible, so caution is warranted before submitting the data at various stages of the registration process. Log on to the official website of JEE Advanced 2024 jeeadv.ac.in. On the home page, under Important Announcements, check Online Registration for Foreign National Candidates. Press the Click Here button to go to the registration portal jeeadv.nic.in/applicant. Under New User Sign Up, click the Foreign National Candidate Direct Registration button. Read all the important instructions carefully. After reading the instructions, click the checkbox I have read the above instructions and procedures and click the Proceed to Register Online button. Fill out the registration form by entering the personal details, academic details of Class 12 or qualifying exam, complete mailing address, additional information for JEE Advanced, choice of exam city for JEE Advanced. For within India, 8 choices of exam cities are to be selected. For outside India, 1 choice of exam city to be chosen from the list of exam cities. Complete communication details with mobile number and email address. Candidates should ensure that correctness of these details as all the future communication will be sent to the email address and mobile numbers provided. Click the checkbox I agree that it is my responsibility to ensure that communication can be established through these channels up to December 2024. Create your password which satisfies the following conditions. The password must be 8 to 13 characters long. Password must have at least one uppercase alphabet, one lowercase alphabet, one numeric value, and one special character. Confirm the password by re-entering password created and enter the security pin displayed below. Click the reset button only if you would like to re-enter all the details. Else, click the next and review button to review the details entered by the candidate. After the review, if you would like to change any information entered, press Edit button to go back. To submit the form, select all the checkboxes under Declaration and press Submit and Proceed button. Confirm pop-up screen appears. To go back to previous screen, press No. To proceed further, press Yes. Once confirmed, no further changes to the registration data are permitted. Login ID is created after successful registration. Kindly note down the login ID for further login purposes. Press the Click Here to Login button to complete the remaining 2 steps of JEE Advanced 2024 application form. Namely, upload of documents and payment of the registration fee. After successful registration, enter your login ID, password and security PIN under the Direct Registered Candidates and click the Login button. The system will take you to the Registration Activities Status screen. Step 2. Upload documents. Click the Upload Documents menu on the left side. The candidates will be able to upload their photo, signature, educational certificates, and other certificates as per the format and size mentioned on the screen while clicking on the Choose File button. For foreign nationals, in countries where a minimum stint in the armed forces or allied for a certain period is mandatory before after class 12 or equivalent examination, the candidate will be given a relaxation of the required number of years. In such cases, the candidate is required to upload a certificate testimonial issued by the competent authority to this effect at the time of registration. After uploading the above documents, confirm the uploaded documents on the screen. Then click the checkbox. I agree. Once documents or certificates are uploaded, then changes will not be permitted. And then click Submit and Proceed button. Then a message will display on top of the screen stating that file uploaded successfully, then click OK button. It will go to the Registration Activities Status screen and confirm that the uploaded documents status is complete. Step 3. Fee payment. After completion of registration and uploading the documents, click on Pay Registration Fee button. Then, Pay Registration Fee page will open on the screen. Please choose the payment transaction mode, either Pay INR or Pay USD. And then click Pay Registration Fee button. After clicking the Pay Registration Fee, for example, select Pay $200. The online fee transaction page appears on the screen. Please select one of the payment gateways shown on the screen for making the payment. And then click on the Proceed for Payment button. Then you will be redirected to the payment gateway screen. Then click on the Foreign Cards. Confirm the payment details by clicking on the Confirm button. Update the card details and click Pay tab. After making payment, it will go to Payment Status screen and confirm whether the payment has been completed successfully. Note down transaction amount, transaction number, and transaction date and time. Then click Download Registration Acknowledgement. Then Registration Acknowledgement will display. Download the registration acknowledgement for future reference. To report any discrepancy or for seeking clarifications, you can send an email to orggee@iitm.ac.in, or you can call the phone numbers shown on the contact page of the JEE Advanced website.